Can you give an example of a customer case who has expanded their Splunk adoption?
Yeah, sure. Every customer starts somewhere, right? One common example is financial company that I work with. They started within IT security, basically using Splunk for their security operations. Then they realized within the IT operations team that we actually need to look at the same data in our analytics. So they also started to use the same platform, analyzing the same data for their purposes. Then today, they are actually expanding this to doing the complete monitoring of all their business services in the company. So today they can see how all their business services are performing, and they can relate any issue down to the application layer and the infrastructure layer. So they basically use Splunk as a complete control tower of their internal IT.
Exciting. Sounds like a typical example, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely common that companies start within security, but there are so many different stories. Every customer has their own different story. So I'm thinking also about a smaller, more cloud-native company that I work with. They started within the DevOps. So very simple use case. Their developers are using Splunk to do root cause analysis, and then they expanded into security. So they started to use pretty heavy security analytics. After that, they realized the power of having log metrics and traces in the same platform. So today they actually use Splunk all the way from the front-end traces, the real user monitoring, to the back-end traces, the application monitoring, to infrastructure monitoring metrics and logs.